Pharrell here, he wants portraits, but he's never been in front of the camera, and today we're gonna make photos of him. You don't know how to pose, you don't know how to do nothing. We're gonna even change your shirt. I'm gonna give you my shirt.
All right.
Let's go. Alright, so I came very prepared. I brought even clothes for my clients, and I think this will fit you the most. Yeah, you like it?
Yeah, definitely.
Perfect. All right, Pharrell, I want you to sit here on the stairs that you feel comfortable. So if I say anything and you're not comfortable, just make yourself as comfortable as possible.
Okay.
So you can lean forward or you can lean to the back, whatever you feel like.
Lean to the back.
Yeah. Yeah, this is cool. Yeah. Okay, so what I usually use here is I use aperture. So the aperture can change because we're in daylight. And then f1.4, so it's the most open. And ISO is auto, but we want it at lowest. And then I choose this background because the background is really far away, so it's going to be really blurry. And we have also a little bit here, so I can use this as bouquet in the foreground. And we have a background, so it's really going to be beautiful. Beautiful. And now lean forward a little bit. Yeah, you can lean on your, you can maybe do like this. Just clean your,
oh yeah.
It's white. Perfect. Give me a little smile. Ha ha ha. Beautiful. And now I can also use this as the foreground. So those leaves, things from the environment. Can you hold this for me? Mm-hmm. Like this? Yes, beautiful. Beautiful. Give me a little smile. Okay, now be really serious. Really serious. Angry. Like you're gonna beat someone. Okay, now let's change the shirt.
Okay.
You like it?
Yeah, 100%. Where did you get it?
In La Brisa market.
La Brisa.
Yeah, you know La Brisa, right?
Is it here on Bali?
Yeah, La Brisa is the most beautiful place in the world. Surprised you don't know it. All right.
Okay.
Yeah, you can play with your hair. You can do like, put it up a little bit. I would put it up.
I like when it's sleek back.
Yeah.
It has to be like...
wet a little bit, right? Okay. I want you to lean like this a little bit for me. Like this, and then like this, like
different
this.
Poses.
Yeah, different
Okay.
poses.
All right.
Whatever you feel comfortable with.
But from...
No. Yeah, perfect. Perfect. Yeah. Or a little bit back. Yes, perfect. Give me a little smile. Beautiful. Oh, I love this. Love it. By the way, we were using 85mm 1.4 by Sigma Art, my favorite lens, especially for portraits. And I'm using this as a bouquet. Beautiful. Beautiful. Instead of shooting it like this, we want to shoot like this. So the model is going to be here, and then we have all the depth of field behind there. So the wall is like extending, and then we have this beautiful blur and bouquet at the back. Another rule I like to use is the rule of thirds. All right, so we have three lines here, right? 1, 2, and 3 here. And then this line, the upper line, I always want their eyes to be there, or not always, but almost always. And then if it's not there, then I will crop it later to be there, because this is how our eyes work, and this is the first thing we look at. And change pose, a little bit leaning to the front, exactly, yeah. And smile, give me a little smile, business smile, ha ha ha, ha ha. Nice, beautiful,
Great.
nice.
Nice. Can I see?
Yes, for sure. I love this.
I love the shirt. Yeah. Bro. Insane. Great.
And now as an upsell, we can sell him this t-shirt. So this will be 200 euros.
For 20 I would buy it. I don't know how much you paid. 20 euros I'm buying it.
I bought it for 10 euros. So if we sell it for 20, do you want to see the whole collection? I have like 100 more t-shirts if you want. Beautiful. Ooh la la. Ooh.
Very nice, man. Yeah. Serious ones are fun. I like the smiling ones more, right?
Yeah, for sure. For profile and everything, smiling is attracting more people.
But this one is good.
Yeah, it's really beautiful.
Nice. Thank you very much, man.
Yeah, you're welcome. That's like a photo shoot of like 500 euros usually.
No way.
Yeah, I mean, it will be a little bit longer. It will be like an hour probably.
They're great. Are you sending that through airdrop or no?
Yeah, I can also airdrop it to you. This is a link that will expire in 30 days, but I can also airdrop it to you.
Oh, this is great. Thank you very much.
You're welcome.
Thank you, they're great.
You're welcome.